Louis officials reported an additional 1,800 new hospitalizations over the past 2 weeks as the positivity rate there reaches 14%. NBC News correspondent Allison Barber joins me now from Bridgeton, Missouri, outside of St. Louis. Allison, good to have you with us. You got a rare inside look at what it's like for these healthcare workers on the front lines. What did you learn?
Yeah, we were able to go onto one of the ICU floors here at SSM Health DePaul Hospital. The majority of the patients on that floor did have COVID-19 and were in the hospital because of COVID-19, but some did not. Other emergencies have not stopped because of COVID-19, and we saw that firsthand when we were on the floor and a non-COVID-19 patient coded. We want to warn you that the video we are about to show you is troubling and could be considered graphic for some.
One side, attention please.
Start, ultrasound. I use the break, ultrasound.
Everybody clear? Once, twice, three.
Yes, stop. We're doing CPR.
Papa, are you doing recording or do you need to just up in your rooms?
Let's try some amnio as soon as it's drawn up.
300 amnio.
300 amnio going in.
If you noticed in that video, it took a lot of healthcare workers in that room fighting tooth and nail to stabilize that patient and bring them back. When you have a number of COVID patients being hospitalized every single day, experts say it puts a strain on the system because they still have their normal emergencies and normal patient loads they need to deal with. Hospitals, when we talk about capacity, we're not just talking about physical space. Hospitals do not have unlimited resources, be it physical space, equipment, or staff. There are only so many doctors, nurses, healthcare workers who can provide the type of care patients need if they are hospitalized for COVID-19 or if they are in critical care or ICU for COVID-19 or something else. This hospital is incredibly strained, and what we're being told is that hospitals in St. Louis and the surrounding areas, a lot of them are experiencing the same thing. As of this afternoon, the regional pandemic task force for St. Louis and the areas that surround it, they say about 90% of ICU beds are full. Officials at this hospital tell us their staff is exhausted mentally and physically. Here's some of what one nurse told us.
Unfortunately, we're not seeing a lot. Once they get to us, we're not seeing a lot that make it out of here.
How many patients have you lost?
I don't even know our numbers. There's days when it's 3 and 4 a shift. So it's hard. It affects everybody. We just kind of have to pick each other up and move on to the next room.
We've seen the daily rate of new COVID cases drop statewide in Missouri. Right now, the state is considered to be in a plateau as it relates to the number of daily new coronavirus cases. But deaths and hospitalizations, they're still in an uptick. And here in St. Louis, they are breaking records today. The hospitalization 7-day average rate for St. Louis and the metropolitan area around it hit an all-time high. Eamon?
All right, Allison Barber with that incredibly powerful glimpse in the hospital there in Missouri. Thank you, Allison. A selfie taken by a doctor at a field hospital in Reno, Nevada is going viral on social media. This after President Trump used it to perpetuate a false narrative that the coronavirus pandemic is a hoax. The president retweeted an account that called the